So, transfer na natin. Lagyan na natin ng kung ano-anong mga gusto nating i-toppings bago natin i-bake. Okay. Yan. Pwede na siguro nating i-transfer. Yan na guys, ang ating manakish. Manakish. Yan siya guys. So, lagay na natin dito, transfer na natin sa ating baking. Okay? Baking dish. Okay, yan siya. Wow! Woo! That's it for today's video. Okay guys, so lagyan na natin ng ating cheddar cheese. Okay, yan. Kayong bahala kung anong cheese ang gusto nyong ilagay. Okay. Meron lang akong cheddar, guys. So, let's put cheddar. Why not? Then, syempre, ang ating, what do you call that? The mozzarella. Of course. Okay. Hindi mawawala ang ating mozzarella cheese. Okay. Para pang pasarap. More flavor. And guys, so, lagyan na natin ng ating ranch sauce. Ranch. Then, lagyan natin ng konting mayo chop, guys. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng mayo chop bago natin i-bake. Okay? Slowly. Ay, close pala guys. I did not remove the cover. That's why nothing come out. Yan. Okay guys, so bake na natin. Woo! Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay guys, yan. Okay, let's put it in the oven to cook more and more. Around 25 minutes guys. 20 to 25 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, wait natin. Send ko na lang. I'm going to post the finished product. Okay, I will take photo guys. And then, 1 minute, guys. What's broken? Ay! My bag! Go and recharge the tab. Okay, guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. I'll post the finished product later. Thank you for watching. Bye.